Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is Tuesday, January 16th, 2018. Taking a look at this morning's current solar conditions, our solar wind speed is sitting at a 457.2 kilometers per second with a 6.7 density. Things have been quieting down in the solar wind today. Taking a look at our sun, we have a newly formed sunspot grouping. AR 2696 is tiny and poses no threat for any solar flares. Sunspot number 12, and we are so far at 2018 have 7 days without a spot. Our KP indices are at a 0 and our 24-hour max is at a 2 right now. Taking a look at our SDO, we see a coronal hole that is almost Earth-facing and should feel the effects from this coronal hole on January 19th through the 20th, sparking minor G1 class geomagnetic storms. Also keeping an eye on that far eastern limb of our star, paying attention to see if any new activity crackles up. And now for Volcano update, here's Mari.
Thanks, Jake. Glowing red lava rolled down the slopes of a Philippine volcano Tuesday morning. Authorities maintained a warning of possible hazardous eruption. The lava was quietly flowing in some places, but at times Mount Mayon was erupting like a fountain. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said lava had advanced up 2 kilometers from the crater, and ash reached up to 2 kilometers and fell on nearby communities. This volcano has erupted about 50 times in the past 500 years, sometimes violently. In the islands around Kadovar, evacuating amid fears of a new eruption of Bam Volcano. Bam Volcano, in the island of Mayon, internationally Bam, last erupted in 1960. The island is actually a summit of mostly submerged volcanoes, one of the more active in the Papua New Guinea region. Historical eruptions recorded since 1872 have restricted to small to moderate explosive activity from the summit crater. Kadovar's first eruption in known history started January 5th, 2018 and is still in progress. We have a Bali volcano update. Mount Agung erupted at around 7:23 a.m. local time on Monday, sweeping volcanic ash about 2,000 meters into the sky. The ash covered surrounding villages. However, no casualties were reported. Mount Sinabung started erupting Saturday for the first time in 2018. The volcano spewed a dense gray column of smoke hundreds of meters into the sky. In other volcano news, with the help of drones, researchers are investigating an active Nicaraguan volcano that could pose a hazard to millions of people. The Masaya volcano is located in an active volcanic and seismic zone and is nearby Managua, Nicaragua's capital. The researchers are using many methods, including drones, to study how the volcanoes and surrounding Earth are changing over time. Check out this amazing drone video close up inside a volcano. I've included the link in the description. One more interesting volcano article I have here. Scientists autopsied the aftermath of the largest underwater volcanic eruption of the last century. In 2012, miles of floating rock appeared in the Pacific. Now, scientists have studied the Mount Heavier seamount eruption that caused the mysterious pumice raft. We knew it was a large-scale eruption, approximately equivalent to the biggest eruption we've seen on land in the 20th century. University of Tasmania volcanologist Rebecca Carey tells the Sydney Morning Herald. For more details about these volcanoes, please see the video description. We have links below. Thank you for tuning in to the Grand Solar Minimum. Please like and share.